Cheers to learning. The cheerful tale of bottoms up. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard clinking through the chatter of a celebration or echoing in the halls of a festive gathering. The phrase is bottoms up, a quirky little idiom that holds more cheer than its two words might suggest. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding phrases like this can be both fun and useful. So, grab your metaphorical glass, and let's raise a toast to learning. Bottoms up is a phrase that has a convivial ring to it, often heard when people are enjoying drinks together. Literally, it refers to the bottom of a glass being tilted upwards as one drinks, usually in one go. But there's more than just the act of drinking at play here. It's also a gesture of camaraderie and goodwill among the participants. The origins of bottoms up are a bit hazy, much like the view from the bottom of an empty glass. It is believed to have nautical roots, where the term might have been used to signal the end of a drink and a return to work. Over time, it sailed smoothly into common parlance, becoming a popular saying at social drinking events. In contemporary times, bottoms up has held its place as a cheerful toast during parties, gatherings, or even casual meetups at a bar. It's an expression that brings people together, initiating a collective action of taking a drink. Moreover, it can be used figuratively to suggest that one should finish up what they are doing and move on to the next task. While bottoms up is widely understood and used in English-speaking countries, it's always good to be mindful of cultural sensitivities. In some cultures, drinking alcohol may not be a common practice, and thus, the phrase may not be well known or used. It's also worth noting that the phrase carries a light-hearted and informal tone, making it unsuitable for formal occasions. Let's see bottoms up in action. At the New Year's party, as the clock struck 12, everyone shouted, "Bottoms up," and drained their glasses. After finishing a grueling marathon, Mark said, "Bottoms up" to his water bottle, emphasizing his need to rehydrate fully. These examples show that while bottoms up is indeed associated with drinking, its usage can be playful and versatile. And there we have it, a toast to your understanding of bottoms up. This phrase, brimming with friendliness and festivity, is a small but spirited part of the English language. I hope this video has been insightful and adds a new expression to your linguistic repertoire. Until next time, keep learning and, when appropriate, cheers, bottoms up.